I got a new toy. You want to do an unboxing? This is a 5-quart rice cooker, and it's going to cook our dinner tonight. So let's get it unboxed, shall we? Have you ever seen anything like this? So exciting. Anyway, we're going to use it tonight to make teriyaki bowls. Let's do it. Those of you that know me know when I get excited about something, and it's just word salad, I guess. So I've just had a little off-camera conversation with myself to settle down and tell you what we're doing. Tonight we're going to let the new rice cooker cook our entire meal. So what are we having? Well, we're going to have teriyaki chicken bowls. So I figured we should find out what we need for teriyaki chicken bowls. Of course, you need some chicken breasts, 3 or 4 chicken breasts, or thighs if you want to use thighs. You're going to need some jasmine rice, some sesame seeds, just for garnish, green onion, just for garnish, sliced carrots, they're the julienne kind, so like carrot sticks that I got at in the produce aisle, frozen broccoli, and teriyaki sauce. So stinking easy. So easy. All right, let's go back over to the rice cooker and get started. Let's unbox this guy, and then we can cook dinner with it, right? Relatable moment. Does anyone's kitchen scissors have this huge piece of tape on it? Return to kitchen. I'm looking right at you. That's why they don't run away. They have this huge thing of tape. Anyway, let's get this open. So exciting. So I've been looking and looking. The rice cooker that we have is small, and that's fine. It cooks just a little bit of rice. It definitely cooks enough for the family. But I keep seeing recipes where they are cooking using the rice cooker, cooking the whole meal, the meat, the rice, the whole thing. And I saw this guy, it was on sale, and I said, you know what? We're going to buy this, and we're going to give it a shot together. So I'm so excited. We're going to get it open, see what's in here. This is it says, oh, here, see? Here we go. Here's what I want to show you. You see this? Like, you can actually put on top of the rice in the little steam tray your veg and your meat. Okie dokie, it's all washed and it's ready for us to use. All the pieces are ready, and I have all of the stuff prepped. So let's say we get dinner started. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna just shove this to the back here for a minute just because this is not what we're working with. Here's the inner basket of this rice cooker. And what we're supposed to do is add 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of water. Okay, that's so easy. Then we're gonna put this in the pot. Okay, oh my gosh, so easy. We're gonna take the steamer basket, put the steamer basket on top, and then we are supposed to add the chicken. And I went ahead and sliced it into like julienne slices because we're going to serve it as bowls. So why not have it already pre-sliced and ready to go? So I'm just going to put the chicken in here. This was 3 chicken breasts. So you got 3 chicken breasts in there. Let me wash my hands because that's gross. Safety first in this kitchen. Even if we aren't using measurements, we're gonna go safety first, right? All right, I'm just gonna take a big spoon and just make sure these are nicely distributed here. Nicely distributed for cooking. I cannot believe we're gonna cook the rice and the chicken and the broccoli and be done all in one time. All right, next thing we're supposed to do is take a bottle of teriyaki sauce. I just picked up whatever was in the aisle, 1 cup, and pour it over the top. Okay, that was easy. Then we're supposed to take the broccoli, and you can either cook the broccoli in the microwave during the last 5 minutes, or you throw the broccoli on top here, on top of the chicken. Y'all, if this works, we'll never have to cook again. We'll never have to cook again. Okay, now we're supposed to shut this lid. Got it. I'm gonna plug it in, because then we have to turn it on to white rice. Let's see. Power on. White rice. And now it's cooking. Okay, we'll see you in about 20 minutes. It's almost like Christmas. I'm just waiting for the ding. 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 Smells good. Awesome. And now it says it's keeping it warm. So let's see what we can do here. Push that. We're all doing this together. Wow. Wow. Steamed up my glasses. Y'all want to see? Hold on. Let me show you. Ooh, the rice. Oh my goodness, thank you so much for indulging me and letting me open that new rice cooker toy and cook dinner in it tonight. I am so excited. I cannot believe we got full-on chicken teriyaki in 30 minutes. Hello, game changer. This looks and smells delicious. The way the sesame seed and the green onion and the carrot is sitting there on top with everything else, and the rice looks absolutely perfect underneath. So I am ready to dig in. Thanks again so much. Thanks for all your likes. Thanks for your subscribes. I really appreciate those subscribes. I am trying to get to 300 by the end of March. So we're only 40 away. Surely we have 40 friends. We pass by 40 people on the way to work. I know that. So give somebody a like and a subscribe. That would make me feel very happy. All right, stay tuned for a Zen moment, and we will see you next time in the kitchen. Let me know what else you'd like for me to cook. Is there another special gadget that I don't know about that could save us some time? Let me know. Let me know. All right, we'll see you later, friends. Bye. Have a great night.